What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and this is Day One Adventures. In today's adventure, we are up in Philly at Reading Terminal. Going to check out this place called Kismet Bialy's. They're like bagels, but they're not like bagels. So if you're interested in some good food, this is the video for you. So Bialy's and bagels are a little different. The Bialy's are cooked, baked, where the bagels are boiled, then baked. Bialy's originated in Poland and they were brought to America. The Bialy's are round and flat and they have the opening in the center. They also have poppy seeds and onions mixed in there. The Bialy's are a little softer. They're not as hard as a bagel. This is actually my first time trying them. What did I think of the Bialy? I liked it. It had a nice different taste to it. I especially like how they have that little pocket where they put the food in there. Now the one I had, I put everything on it. It had cucumbers, tomato, pickle, lox, cream cheese. I had them put everything on there and it was all good, especially with that kind of roll. It was nice and soft with a little crunchy texture on the outside of it. It was delicious. Now I've got good news and not so good news. The place where I got it at in Reading Terminal is now closed, but they do have their other stores. They have about 3 other stores. Their closest one is actually in Rittenhouse Park. So there's one right over in Rittenhouse. It's walking distance from the convention center. If you've never had one, I would say give it a try. It's a nice little take on the traditional bagel. I enjoyed it. So have you ever had a chance to try anything like a Bialy? Let me know in the comments. Or do you have any other, like, let's say breakfast food that you like to try? You know, let me know. Hey, maybe one day I'll get a chance to try it out. Do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I really do appreciate it and it helps out the channel a lot. So until next adventure, remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I will see you all soon.